In this video, I will share how this website makes $74,000 per month using 3 steps. And I will also share 3 steps to get 74,000 hits per month. 74,000 visitors per month is a lot of traffic. How do I know they make $74,000? Because we do the same. Here is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate account. From here, you can see $75,000. But a control point is controlling this income, and I will reveal this control point in a moment. But before that, let me solve the biggest problem. When I said website, you must be thinking, Mosh, website creation is boring. I hate website creation. I hate content creation. But hey, website creation problem is solved completely right here, right now, using Maven. Now you can just copy and paste other people's website URL just like this, copy and paste it in our AI software Maven to create your own website 100% legally in just 2 minutes. And the best part is it's free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Oh, by the way, can we get a like and a share? And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And now let me show you how it works super fast. And then I will come back and tell you the 3 things to get traffic like this website and 3 things this website is doing in order to make money. Let us make a high converting website using Maven. We like this page. We want to steal this page legally. Go to your Maven account and click the add blog button. Copy the URL of the page you want to hijack. Go to Maven and paste the URL here. Click the create button. Maven just hijacked the page, but warning, this is not your content. First, add the blog title, the blog image from multiple options. We will simply upload from our hard drive. First, let us embed your affiliate link on the content and click save. You can do all kinds of text formatting, bold, create headline. Once you are done with editing, click save. Now, this is the magic section. You will use the application to rewrite the content to make it your own. So click this yellow button. Your content will be rewritten using AI or artificial intelligence. How cool is that? Now it's 100% unique content and it's yours. You can add more image if you want, more beautification if you want, videos or any other elements if you want. Add advertisement. We'll upload or use our library to add more images. So we're uploading from our hard drive. Just add in an image. You can also use Pixabay or Google CC and search those images from right inside Maven. Oh, why not add a YouTube video? Just copy and paste the link right here. Click the add button and the video is embedded. Wow. Happy with the content, click save. Your content is ready. Now do all this meta information stuff if you want, basically for SEO or search engine optimization to get free traffic from search engines. When you are done, click the publish now button or publish later and schedule for publishing later. Our page is absolutely ready. Click this I button and see for yourself. The amazing Tesla review page is ready to rock and roll. So the website creation problem is completely solved. So now Mosh, where is traffic? Look at their traffic analytics. 49% of the traffic come from Google and the other 34% traffic also come from Google. But good news, all this traffic are coming without boring search engine optimization. What this website is doing doesn't need search engine optimization. They are clever. They're basically sharing their content with social media, and specifically they're sharing their content with Pinterest. And that's why all their traffic are coming from Pinterest. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Most traffic is coming from Pinterest. Why are you saying it's coming from search engine? For that, we need to look at the traffic and analytics of Pinterest itself. This is the analytics of Pinterest.com, and they have around 1 billion monthly visitors. 70% traffic are their own traffic, and the rest of the traffic of Pinterest come from Google. So getting traffic from Pinterest is in a way getting traffic from Google, but without SEO. So how to get traffic from Pinterest? Before I show you that, let me show you how I know 74,000 hits equals $74,000. It's time to reveal the secret control point of our own income screenshot. Look at this. On this account, we earned 95 cents, which is almost $1 per click we received on our affiliate links. So from 78,000 hops or clicks, we made $75,000. So from 74,000 clicks or 74,000 hits, these guys are also generating pretty much same or more income. And all this money are coming from the traffic, more precisely coming from Pinterest. Really cool, right? So step number 1, get Maven. It's free to start, link is in the description, and get your website, your content ready. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes of your time. Then step number 2, create a free Pinterest account. Step number 3, look for what the competition in your niche is doing. For this website, these are the type of images this website is doing to share their content with Pinterest, and it's working for them. And these images are available everywhere in literally all kinds of graphic design software, including Canva, which you can start for free. Now let's say you want to share this content with Pinterest. Simply copy this URL. In your case, it will be your Maven content URL. Yes, Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start it right now. Then go to Pinterest, click this create option and create a pin. And here you put your link to your content. And here you talk about the content. And here simply drag and drop the pin or the graphic image. Or you can even click here to choose the image from your hard drive. Once you are done, click publish and your content will be shared in Pinterest in absolutely no time. Good news, you can do it from inside Maven as well. That's it. That's how Pinterest works, and this is how you get traffic from Pinterest. How do you make money? The easiest way is affiliate marketing. For that, you can choose Warrior Plus. Go to warriorplus.com, create a free affiliate account, go to the affiliate section, click on the offer section, and choose any product that you want to promote. But you need to get your affiliate link and you need approval for that. So for that, click the request button. You will be here and choose the request approval. Mention here clearly how you want to promote. In your case, you mention that I want to promote through my website, content, and Pinterest traffic. Some vendors may not approve you as an affiliate if you are a complete beginner, but we do. So for that, go to vendor name and search with Mosh Bari, and you will find all my high converting offers. Do the same and mention that you came from my video and you want to promote my offers using my method. Mention the details and we will approve you. After approval, you will get your affiliate link from here. Right click, copy link address and embed it in your website, just like these guys promoted Grammarly with an embedded link. And in your content, ask your readers softly to click on this link and buy from you if they choose to buy, just like these guys have done. Here is how Grammarly blogging about writing, grammar, and communication tips. No hard selling required. Simple referral and recommendation. People click on this link and buy from you. And don't worry, they will not be pissed. If your content is good, they will love you, they will follow you, and they will eventually buy from you. That's exactly what we do in all our channels. Well, basically, other than this channel, we have 20 plus more channels and we make videos. And this is the only channel where we use cameras and microphones. And in other channels, we don't. We use our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now, you don't have any section, but in 1 second, there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side, you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. And after an awesome content, we ask our viewer to click the link in the description if they decide to buy. And trust me, people love us. They follow us and they buy from us. So get Maven, get Epic from the links in the description and start your money journey right now. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family so everyone else learns how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. We will see you in the next one, and watch the other videos of the channel to learn more about how to make money online.